Master the art of cooking a perfect ham.
Hello, food enthusiasts. Today we're going to demystify the process of cooking a perfect ham. It may seem daunting, but with the right timing and temperature, you're sure to impress your guests with a delicious, juicy ham.
What kind of ham are you cooking?
First things first, it's important to know that the cooking time of a ham depends on the type of ham you're cooking. We generally categorize ham into two types, pre-cooked and fresh, or uncooked. Pre-cooked hams, as the name suggests, have been cooked or smoked before being sold and only require reheating. Fresh hams, on the other hand, need to be fully cooked before consuming.
Cooking a pre-cooked ham.
If you have a pre-cooked ham, you're in luck. Your task is a bit easier. The goal here is to heat the ham thoroughly without drying it out. Here's a general guideline. 1. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 degrees Celsius. 2. For a whole ham, aim to cook it for approximately 15 to 20 minutes per pound. For a half ham, your goal should be around 18 to 24 minutes per pound. 3. Your ham is fully reheated when it reaches an internal temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius. Always use a meat thermometer to ensure accuracy.
Cooking a fresh ham.
If you're cooking a fresh ham, the process requires more time, but it's well worth the effort. Here's the general guideline for cooking a fresh ham. 1. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 degrees Celsius. 2. For a whole fresh ham, aim to cook it for about 18 to 20 minutes per pound. For a half ham, your target should be around 22 to 25 minutes per pound. 3. Unlike a pre-cooked ham, a fresh ham should reach an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius. Again, make sure to use a meat thermometer to ensure it's cooked perfectly. There you have it. With these instructions, you should be well on your way to making a perfectly cooked ham. Remember, always adjust your cooking time based on the weight of your ham and always verify the final temperature with a meat thermometer. Cooking a delicious, juicy ham doesn't have to be a daunting task. We hope this guide has made your cooking journey a little easier. Happy cooking!